Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a serpentine belt. First, gather your tools, including a wrench, a socket set, and your new serpentine belt. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns. Next, locate the serpentine belt routing diagram, usually found under the hood, which will be crucial for reinstallation. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's focus on releasing the belt tension. Identify the tensioner pulley. It's typically spring-loaded and designed to keep the belt taut. Using a breaker bar or a long ratchet, apply pressure to the tensioner bolt and rotate it to relieve the tension. This action will allow the belt to become loose enough for you to carefully slide it off all the pulleys. Take your time to ensure you have a firm grip. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully route the new serpentine belt exactly as shown on the diagram you located earlier. Make sure the belt is properly seated in all the grooves of every pulley, including the crankshaft, alternator, and power steering pump. This step is critical for proper function. Once routed, reapply tension to the tensioner, then slowly release it, allowing the belt to tighten. After installation, perform a thorough final check. Visually inspect the new belt to ensure it's perfectly aligned and securely seated on every pulley. There should be no slack or misalignments. Briefly start your engine and listen for any unusual noises or wobbles, then turn it off and recheck the belt. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.